going to do a lat pull down here. This is a Watson lat pull down, so a slightly fatter grip, but if it's just a straight bar with a normal grip, it's exactly the same principle. So lat pull down, we're going to lock ourselves into the machine. Remember, our external stability is through the pad here, so lock the knees in, get nice and stable, core is on. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to line that cable up and going to aim it for about the top of the chest. So here, top of the sternum is a good place to kind of set it up. We're first going to depress the scapula. We're going to engage the lat here. We're going to start to pull down, see the elbows slightly go forward and then start to come into the midline. So he's driving your elbows back and down into his back pockets. Nice and control, let the scapula naturally move. Depress, pull down, contracting through the lats, nice and controlled. Hold at the bottom for a second and nice and controlled on the way up. Again, we can change the resistance profile slightly by leaning back on this, and we're going to do the exact same principle. Depress, pulling down, contract and control on the way up. Again, the reason you would lean back is just creating a little bit more resistance, and you would change a tiny bit of the angle you're hitting the lat at. But that's just manipulating angles when you're doing your pull down. But the same principles applies. Depress, pull down, control, contract at the bottom, keep yourself stable through the machine, and the core is on all the time. And again, with the wider grip, it is a little bit more difficult for if you're doing higher reps, because your grip is not as strong as it would be with a narrow. But that's lat pull down with a Watson bar.